My name is Kelsy Melton. I never feel so human as when I'm in water. So in this theme, I touch on the power water has over me. I feel it's important to remember and feel as a part of nature. Water embodies such power and requires respect. My poem reflects the impact water has on me. Jade tresses crisscrossing, stamping transparent ribbons across my body. On my knees, waiting for the sweeping stroke of your swing. Gold-flecked, watered down, turquoise blues, seafoam whites. I stand to feel you push through my legs, kneeling me down. Your will is warmer, kinder than expected. Your roaring hushes the world, around me hums. Pleased in my naked submission, quenched as you slip around me, pulling me in nowhere, pushing me out nowhere, whole body enfolded, suspended, your residue left on my skin and in strands of salty hair.